Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And we are here today to break down the all-new Icon Contra3 Hero Jacket. Okay, the all-new Contra Hero 3 Jacket retails for $295 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update videos for pricing changes. Only the product itself has been completely
redesigned.
Who's this jacket right for?
Right for the street riders that want, or let's say, are in Texas, maybe hot areas in California. Vegas,
Michigan, man. It's hot here in the summer, baby.
Kind of hot here in the summer, I guess. Yeah, that want a jacket that flows a metric buttload of air.
Yes. And is very protective. So what Icon's done here too, and then we're going to get into sizing in just a minute, to help control, right, the climate of this jacket, right? So you can extend the seasonality of it. They've included a full quilted sleeve and vest liner. It's very easily removable, right? So it's insulated. So with all the ventilation that's built in this, you get, because we're at that part of the year now, we're in the morning now.
Yeah, in the morning, you know, it's going to be 50 degrees, and when you leave work, it's going to be 65, and maybe you don't want the liner. So
correct. It gives you the flexibility to use this jacket in more settings than just a super hot summer day. I love that. Let's go sizing, because I think that's important for people.
Yeah, I am 5'11", 170 pounds with a 41-inch chest, and this is Icon's medium sport fit. So I'd say compared to most Icon jackets, this is definitely tighter in the shoulders. But man, it works good for me. I'm a slimmer dude. I'm not super large by any means, and for my build, this is definitely proper. So
I think it looks really good on you.
Sure does.
Right, and a lot of this it's fashion blended with protection. So other features and benefits, obviously that quilted insulated liner, we think that's a big deal. The chassis of the jacket is 300D poly. And what they've done is it's laser perforated. And just look here, man. There are holes poked in this jacket everywhere to help encourage airflow and keep the rider cool. You've got these built-in vents up here, right?
Got the armpit as well.
Now, large, and talk about smart, large holes there in that area.
Yeah, that's smart.
This is some stretch nylon that's being used there. Large main zipper. Look at the checkered flag detail there.
There's even perforation holes in that as well. There are little holes. I mean, maybe not.
Nah, that's just that logo has a really nice hand. Yeah, that's not perforated.
No, but
that's not perforated. A vent is built into the sleeve of each jacket. That's a mesh panel behind. The double zip. You leave the lower zip zipped, unzip the top zip. Your hands are on the bars out in the wind. Air dries in the jacket.
That'll flow all the way up. That's for sure.
Perforated right next to it. Embroidered Icon logo, a little carbon fiber inlay that works in conjunction with a D3O armor in there that we'll talk about in a second. Some reflective Icon logo there. 300D panel with no perf in the elbow and forearm. That's the impact zone, there to keep you safe in the event of a fall. Back of the jacket, perforated panel, embroidered 30 Contra logo there. Tons of perf here. Another Icon logo there, a little drop at the back of the jacket so it's going to overlap your pants so you're not broadcasting the brand of underwear that you're wearing while you're riding. Contra3 logo done in reflectives across the top of the shoulders. It's a good looking coat.
Yeah.
Armor that's included with this, one of my favorite things, right, with this is it comes the full complement of level 1 certified D3O armor, shoulders, elbows, and back.
Yeah.
How many jackets come with back protectors in them now?
Well, I know a lot of jackets that are $500-600 that come with zero back protector.
A pocket. There's a nice pocket.
There's a pocket for it, and they'll tell you which one fits in it, but they won't give it to you. You got to spend $80 on it.
Yeah. And how many people buy the back protector?
Probably no one.
Nah, no one is a stretch, but
25% of riders.
And that's not enough.
Not enough. Not enough at all. No. Yeah. And what I love about Icon is, are they my favorite brand out there? No, but I love in all their jackets and even some of their gloves they use quality armor from a brand called D3O. And D3O was in my race suits this year, and I crashed 5 times.
Yeah, it worked.
I walked away,
Thankfully.
So man, it's good stuff. Good quality
it's
stuff.
It's definitely good stuff. And now, why do you not like Icon? Is it a quality thing or is it a style thing?
Style thing, man. I'm more of a sporty look. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah, you're young.
This is more a hog riding style.
Now, this particular jacket.
Oh, it's pretty badass. It goes with my shoes. You know what I mean?
Would you wear this jacket?
I'd wear this jacket. I would indeed wear this jacket.
All right. I think it's important
pretty cool
to establish that. We got another part of this video. We're going to get this jacket off, Max. We're going to take it apart, give you a look from the inside out. One other real quick thing, and I'll cover this a little bit more in the second part of the video. The elbow armor, there's an adjustable pocket in there, 3 layers of adjustment, so that you're able to locate this in the best possible spot. We're all shaped a little bit different. You really want to try and keep it in the right spot
For sure.
in the event of a fall.
Smart.
I like that they did that too.
Yeah.
You know, we'll show you that in the second part. Stay tuned for part 2. All right, here we go. Inside out on the all-new Icon Contra3 Hero Jacket. Fully removable insulated liner. Zips in all through the chest, across the base of the shoulders. 2 attachment points here for each sleeve. It's going to keep it in place. A little elastic there to keep it sealed up. So this is going to help you extend the seasons you can ride in this when it's a little bit cooler outside. It's going to help to cut the wind, keep your body a little bit warmer. Added protection, and I like this is a complete package. You're going to get the D3O Level 1 back protector. Moldable, comfortable, super protective. D3O Level 1 shoulder. D3O Level 1 elbow, and that's adjustable too. I'm going to show you this adjustable pocket they have built into the jacket when we get a little deeper. Interesting concept. This is all 300D poly, right? And what they do is it's perforated. Okay, so instead of using mesh, it's a 300D poly and it's perforated. So you have a ton of perforation here, all up the top. Remember, the back protector itself is perforated. Okay, so this is kind of your impact zones here in the back. And then you have some stretch nylon, okay, that is in other areas in the jacket where you need it to move when you're kind of out of the impact zone. They've even went and perforated that very strategically around the underarm area. Very clean Icon logos. They look nice. Quality of that looks really good. That's embroidered there. Get to the sleeve of the coat. Some really robust 300D there. That's the big impact zone. The shoulder, or I'm sorry, the elbow, the forearm, and of course up here on the shoulder. Got some embroidery here. Just looks nice, very clean. Little carbon fiber insert. Little reflective panel here with the Contra logo. Top of the shoulder. To the front of your jacket. More stretch nylon here. See the perforations there. Perforations up here in the front. Perforations down here. Entry and exit is managed here in the cuff with locking zippers. And what they've done here too is built-in a vent, right? You got a nice little mesh panel back there. You zip that open. That's just one more point where air is able to enter the jacket to keep you cool during those hot summer rides that we all love so much. External storage. You've got 2 locking zip hand warmer style storage pockets. Front of the coat. Got some integrated vents there, always on, like a little TPR around it. Good looking Icon logo. Perforation here, perforation here. I like the little checkered flag detail there. Kind of cool. Tons of perforation down here. They use a big gauge zipper. Inside the coat with the liner removed. Large internal storage pocket over here on the left side. Great place for your phone, whatever you need to keep safe, right? They still are producing these jackets, which is kind of cool. St. Christopher metal in the little pocket on the inside of the larger pocket there. Comfortable mesh liner, a little drop here at the back of the tail of the jacket, just so you have some coverage, kind of overlaps with your riding pants. Comfort lined neck. This feels really good against the skin. Well executed there. And now elbow armor. We're all different shaped, right? Different length arms, and for that reason, sometimes when you get a coat, the armor in the elbow is just not in the right spot for you, okay? So what we've seen from a lot of companies is you're going to have different levels. So here with the Icon, here's the pocket, this is the opening, and what they're doing here is there's 3 different levels where it'll stop. They're maybe an inch-ish apart. So there's the highest one, Get in the pocket just behind that. Stops right there. Pocket behind that. You're all the way bottomed out, so you're able to move that around quite a bit and just get it in the most optimal place for you. I think that's a good add to the jacket. You know, they're taking the steps to put good armor in this. You know, this is also CE certified, Class A document. I mean, that's kind of a more of a European thing. I don't know if that's important to you or not, but it's good to see, you know, the back protector included. So many people out there will buy a jacket, and for whatever reason, a lot of the brands, they don't put anything in there. Right? You have to buy it sold separately, different options, great, whatever. I do like that Icon includes that in the jacket, so you're getting a complete package. When you buy the coat, you're ready to go out and you're ready to ride. What do I think of this? I think it's well executed. Icon has made great motorcycle jackets for many years. If this is the kind of styling that you like, it's a quality coat. It's going to move a lot of air. It's going to be a great summertime option. You have that removable inner, right, insulated liner that's both sleeve and vest for those cooler rides. That really is going to allow you to extend the seasonality and enjoy your day out on the bike. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.